A rectangular field has an area 35x square plus 13x minus 12 square meter. What could be the possible expression of length and breadth of the field? First, understand the problem. This is a rectangular field given and this is the area given. You have to find the possible length and breadth. There can be many answers, but we have to find out the nearest one. So it's quite easy. Don't get too much bogged down by this. Just you have to solve this expression. See, this is 35x square plus 13x minus 12. Now how to solve this? You might be knowing how to solve. For solving ax square plus bx plus c, what we have to do is we have to find AC, means a into c, and find such answer between this AC so that a plus or minus c will be equal to b along with sign. That is important because sign should be, if it's plus b, so it should be plus b. If it's minus b, it should be minus b. So let's solve this. Here it is ax square plus bx minus c it is. So AC 35 into 12, so it should be minus 12 over here. So just solve this 35 and 12 over here. 7 5 is 35, 4 3 is 12. Now we have to find out 13 from this, between these expressions. So 7 4 is 28, 4 on this side, and 5 3 is 15, right? So 28 and 15. If you subtract 15 from 28, we get the answer as 13, right? So 7 4 is 28 and make this 15 as minus 15. So plus 28 minus 15. You get the answer as plus 13 along with sign, because this is important, along with sign. So plus 28 and minus 15. So our expression becomes 35x square plus 28x minus 15x minus 12. Okay. Now take common. 7 is common over here and x is common in first two. So it becomes 7x common and this becomes 5x. 7 5 is 35 and x square, and plus 4, this 4. 7 4 is 28 and x common. So x 1 is x. So this 5x plus 4 takes immediately on this side and try to match this expression, this second part, with this 5x plus 4. How? This is what we require over here, 15x, that also minus. We have 5x, so 5 3 is 15 and minus, so minus. So now if you multiply minus 3 with plus 4, you will definitely get minus 12. So that way we have to solve it. So 5x plus 4, 1, and now you again take 5x plus 4 common over here. So you get 7x minus 3 on one side and 5x plus 4 multiplication, right? So the two sides which you get is 7x plus 3 and 5x plus 4. So this is the answer. These are the two possible sides of the rectangle. So the two sides are 7x minus 3 and 5x plus